If you want to try this one on your own, go ahead and pause the video, but I'm going to go through it in 3, 2, 1. We have the graph of the line y equals k. So this is a horizontal line, a constant function, intersecting the graph of a quadratic function, which would give us a parabola at exactly 1 point. So let's think about this for a second. We have the graph of a parabola, and it might look something like this. We don't know, we haven't gone through and found any zeros or the vertex or anything, but I at least know that it faces up. So my graph might look something like this. And then second thing I know is that my linear equation is a horizontal line, which maybe looks something like this. However, we were given the condition that these graphs only cross one time. There's only one possible place that can happen, and that is at the vertex of our parabola. So our constant function is going to just barely skim that parabola, only hitting it one time at that vertex. Anywhere else it crosses the parabola, it's going to hit twice, like I just had a second ago. So then to find the value of k, all we really need is we need to know the y value of this vertex. Our vertex right here has the coordinates h, k, where k is the y value. So then our horizontal line is going to have the equation y equals k, where k is the same y value as your vertex. So let me go ahead and find my vertex. Because my equation is in standard form, I'm going to go ahead and start by finding my axis of symmetry. The equation for my axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. My b is 12, so negative 12 over 2 times my a, which is 2. Negative 12 over 4 gives me an x value of negative 3. So this is the x value, but remember I want the y value of my vertex. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that x value back in to figure out what y value corresponds with it. So the y value of my vertex is negative 7, meaning that if I go back up to the top here, I can fill in the y value of my vertex with negative 7. So our equation of that horizontal line is y equals negative 7. So our k is negative 7, and that is it.